In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix PayPal try again later error. Let's get started. First thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure you are using a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network because weak or unstable internet can cause PayPal to fail transactions or logins. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the PayPal app. Sometimes this error is temporary and can be fixed just by closing the app completely and reopening it. If that does not work, clear your browser cache and cookies if you are using PayPal on a browser. Older corrupted data can interfere with PayPal's security system and trigger this error. After clearing, restart your browser and try again. Next up, check your account status. Make sure there are no limitations or security restrictions on your PayPal account. If there are, follow the instructions in your account to verify your identity or resolve any issues. You should also try logging out and logging back in or switching to a different device or browser. Sometimes the issue is device specific and a quick switch can fix it. If you're still facing the issue, try disabling VPNs or browser extensions like ad blockers, since they can sometimes interfere with people's security checks. And finally, if nothing works, it may be a temporary server issue from people's side, so wait a few minutes and try again later, and that's it. These are some fixes for people try again later error. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.